Hello students, I am Dr. Nidhi Mishra, Assistant Professor English, Govind Sarang Government Law College, Bhatapara. And topic of my today's lecture is how to correct the sentence or some basic rules regarding sentence correction. Now let us look at the very first rule of sentence correction, that is subject-verb agreement. This rule states that the verb used in the sentence should be in accordance with the subject. That is to say that verb and subject both should be plural or singular at the same time. That means that if the verb is singular, then the subject will also be singular, and if the subject is plural, then the verb will also be plural. For example, the boy was working. So both the subject and the verb is singular, and hence there is subject verb agreement in this sentence. And looking at the second example, the boys were working. So the subject and verb here are plural, and again this sentence is correct because there is subject verb agreement. There are some basic rules for subject verb agreement, and let us see that. In case of collective nouns like army, police, herd, etc., the verb used is singular. And for subjects connected by and, or, plural verbs are used. If the sentence begins with each, anyone, or everyone, a singular verb is used. For the sentences that contain either or, neither nor, the verb used will be singular if both the subjects are singular. If one or both the subjects are plural, the plural verb is used. Now let us look at second basic rule. Second rule is repetition. In a sentence, it is unnecessary to write the same thing twice. For example, Mohan returned back from Raipur. This sentence is incorrect because here a single thing is being said two times, returned and back. Correct sentence will be Mohan came back from Raipur. Next rule is error in modifiers. Modifiers modify the subject. So it is important that modifiers are placed next to the subject it modifies. For example, sitting in the garden, a dog bit him. This sentence is incorrect because we can't figure out who is sitting in the garden, the dog or the boy. Now let us look at the correct sentence. Sitting in the garden, he was bitten by a dog. This is correct sentence. Now, parallelism is another basic rules of sentence correction. Parallelism in a sentence refers to the correct structure of the sentence. That is to say that the different phrases or words performing the same function should be in the same format. Now let us look at the example. Ram likes to dance, sing and reading. This sentence is incorrect because here we are using dance and sing, and in the end we are using reading. So there is no parallelism in the sentence. Now another example. Ram likes dancing, singing and reading. This is correct because here we are using all of the ing forms, dancing, singing and reading. Another example. Ram likes to dance, sing and read. Again this sentence is correct because here there is parallelism because all the words are dance, sing and read. Another rule is error in diction. Error in diction refers to the error in choice of words or phrase. Some verbal phrases, idioms can also occur in a sentence in an incorrect way. For example, usage of affect and effect, usage of adopt, adapt, adapt, usage of there and there, usage of argue against or argue with, and even using few or less. So we have to pay attention that all the words and phrases or verbal phrases, idioms are used in a correct way which convey correct meaning. Next rule is wrong comparisons. Sometimes the comparisons are made between dissimilar things or in an incorrect way. For example, Sheila is wiser than all girls. This is an incorrect sentence. Sheila is wiser than all other girls. This is correct sentence, because here Sheila needs to be excluded from the rest of the same category as the comparison is made in comparative degree. So while making comparisons, we have to take in notice all these basic things. Now, overall, we need to ensure that different parts of speech like noun, pronoun, conjunction, interjection, verbs, adjective, adverb is used correctly and placed correctly in the sentence. Then only our sentence will be correct. Sometimes mistakes can occur in capitalization and punctuation also. So while correcting the sentence, we have to take notice of all these basic things. This concludes my lecture. Thank you.